Hello everyone, this is Harsh Akecha from IMT Nagpur batch 2016-18. I hope all of you are doing great. So currently I'm working on building up my startup which deals with certified organic products, and this initiative was taken up by Manjul and myself while we were pursuing MBA at IMT Nagpur.
A vague idea and intention to do more in classroom got us where we are today.
So it's very difficult to put into words how much IMT has given to us and how crucial it has been for us to be in IMT.
Under the able guidance of Professor Subodh Tagare and Professor Rajiv Kamble in Marketing Lab, we were able to conceptualize organics food market profoundly in campus and take it forward to market with confidence.
For any business, customers are the backbone, and for us, not only faculty members, students, canteen, mess, even the director himself and his family was our customer. So we've got a lot of support from the faculty members, especially Professor Subodh Tagare and Professor Rajiv Kamble. They've been a backbone for our company. We rushed to them if we had any kinds of doubts. They were available throughout the session and after that also.
Focus on ideation and business fundamentals followed by sponsored field trips spanned across a period of 6 months helped us build a strong foundation for our company.
They kept a check on how we are doing even after we passed out from college. And while we were there in IMT, we got all kinds of approvals from the faculty members only if we had genuine reasons. So be it going to rural areas and meeting farmers and building up supply chain, to also going to different states in India, attending workshops and different kinds of exhibitions, we were given full liberty.
Today, Organics Food Market has collaborated with 1,000 plus certified organic farmers across India.
We got a lot of support from IMT, and without these supports, it would not have been possible for us to take this initiative and build it to a greater extent. Not only this, we were the only company existing in IMT to be having an exhibition for their products inside the campus. So this privilege was also given to us and nobody had objected. In fact, it was a sold out when we had the first exhibition inside the campus.
Bringing a positive change in lives of marginal and small organic farmers in India by empowering them to use conventional farming without usage of any harmful chemicals is the fuel that drives us. We are a quality conscious brand and our customers have loved our product.
Students at IMT Nagpur are generally referred to as student managers, and we're all trained to get good jobs, good packages, and how to get into the corporate world. But there's a different angle to it as well. You can go CEO. If you have a great idea and you believe in it, you should start executing it so that you yourself are confident and you can impress others and make them believe about it. So I would just like to end by saying a quote by Professor Anant Ram, that do what turns you on.